Let's get right to it. If you've watched this channel for any length of time or read my content on Quora, you'd know I place little value in what AI researchers do. Let's talk about why I feel that way. Number one, most research never makes it to a single line of production code. Most research, not only in AI, but outside of AI, it's never read. Specific to AI, less than 1% of all AI research makes it to some practical application. So I'd like to thank that 1% for the models you created and for the hard work you've done. Number two, shouldn't I value all the newest research being done and how it's changing data analytics? I work with structured data problems, the king here are gradient boosters. There hasn't been a change in this model in the last 8 years. So my question to the researchers are, what are you doing? Either you're slacking, or gradient boosters can't progress any further. Either way, you aren't providing any value to me on my daily routine. So, if I'm spending most of my time with structured data problems, and I am, how is a researcher going to help me if he or she is on my team? Psst, they aren't. Number three, most machine learning is data-centric. That number is around 80% or more. Data sourcing and data cleansing isn't taught in college. Number four, model democratization. Recall what Andrew Ng said? Most applied machine learning is a solved problem. If I know what model to use for 90% of all my work, how can you as an AI researcher or faker scientist help me? You can't beat or outperform the models I create. So, you aren't skilled in data cleansing, and you can't beat the performance of the models I create. Why should I hire you and place you on a pedestal because you've passed a few math classes? Now, if you didn't know me, you might think, well, he's just jealous of the math kids because he doesn't know the math behind the models. Well, the problem with that is I've created the only course out there on how to write all the most common machine learning models from scratch. I needed to know the math to do that. Guess what? The math for all these problems is far easier than authoring the code. All right, let's recap here. As an AI researcher, you aren't creating any new models being used in the real world. Your data skills suck. You can't beat the performance of any of my models, and yet you want me to put you on a pedestal because you have an advanced degree from institutions that only teach theory. Sorry, it's not going to happen. In the real world, machine learning is very process-oriented. You need to be able to work every facet or every aspect of that process. If you can't, I can't use you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, have a great day. We'll see you soon.